Joining us now is Paul Theron from Vestax. So we were down 500 points. We landed up 200 points by the end of the day. Is this window dressing, window undressing? What is this?
Yeah, you know, if I'd known my colleagues were going to make such a mess of the markets on Thursday and Friday, I would never have gone trail running in Zululand. But it's fine now. You know, I'm back, so things are looking better.
Greece, China, two most important countries for the
Apparently
world
there's
right now.
trouble in Greece, yes. No, this is also news. I mean, you know, over the news. I mean, looking at the numbers, they didn't look like big numbers to me. But I know that we have to live with this process until it's concluded. But, you know, I mean, it's the data, it's the same old, same old. The market is doing what it wants to do. At the point of maximum negativity, when everybody says it's terrible, get out now, then it starts to go up this afternoon. And why? Because there's a positive read on a single data point, ISM number in the US. You know,
but the Dow Jones still in negative territory though, Paul, and we've got the DAX down around 3%.
Oh, no.
Yes. And we managed to
sucks.
back the trend, and some say that we can look at the local currency and the fact that it is much weaker, attribute the gains on the JSE to the weak local currency. And I know you love talking about the rand.
I know, look, I mean, when I was away for a couple of days like that, you always want to come back and look at the reasons people are using for the moves. And as usual, they're fairly flimsy. You know, it's either the market's going up or the market's going down, and then you have to change the adjectives in the sentence. But as far as this stuff is concerned with regard to the currency and the risk on, risk off type stuff, we still live in a world where it appears the most important investors in the world, you know, retiring baby boomers in America want to own US treasuries at yields below 2% for the 10-year. But we'll get out of that, you know, don't worry, it's coming, it's coming.
So the JSE All Share year to date is down around 5%.
Yes.
Okay, for the third quarter of 2011, down around 5%. How are you feeling that you're currently sitting in a loss, or has your stock picking abilities put you in positive territory?
Well, we were talking about, you know, stock picking on the main Mad Markets show earlier, and people were asking me why I wasn't in favor of a stock that I'd previously been against, British American Tobacco, because it's obviously gone up so much. And I said that I was wanting to buy shares that I'd be happy to hold for my grandchildren's children, you know, that old boring line. But, you know, it's still true. You've got to look and see the stock market is just a place where financial instruments change hands. And there are, of course, times when people are negative and anxious. We don't worry about that.